Welcome back. Are you thinking of building? Maybe you want to renovate, but you are unsure what is allowed and what isn't. In this video we will show you a quick way to check conditions, basic parameters on your property, how to check zoning, and how to check building lines. With this information, you will have a basic understanding of what you might be allowed to build. Let's start. Go to www.capetown.gov.za. Click on the blue tile, Work and Business. Then click on Planning Portal. Click Online Planning and Buildings Resources. Then click Online Zoning Viewer. Scroll down, and tick the disclaimer, then click on PBDM Zoning Viewer. Click the tick box. From here, you can enter the address in the search bar, on the top left corner. When you found the earth, you can click on Imagery, then click on the latest aerial imagery. In this view, it will be easier to identify the earth. Next, click on the I button in your toolbar, on the top right. Then, click on the earth on the map. It will identify the earth, and populate the earth information on the toolbar. Click the plus button. Here you will see useful information about the earth, as well as the zoning. Every earth has a specific zoning. The zoning will determine what parameters, and what rights you have on the earth. Now that you know the zoning, you can check the DMS. The DMS is the Development Management Scheme, and it's a powerful book that contains all the restrictions, parameters and basic rights of your property. To find the DMS, click Work and Business, Planning Portal, Regulations and Legislations, and then Planning by Law. Here you will find all the planning by law books. Choose the latest one. Go to page 18. From here, these tables contain all the different zoning restrictions, height restrictions, building lines and primary rights. Find your zoning in this block here. Below, you can see the primary uses, and additional uses. This basically means what you are allowed to build on your property. Your architect will use the building lines and floor factors, to draft the plan, to comply with the bylaw. Now you have a rough understanding of what you might be allowed on your property. Keep in mind, this is only a guideline on what is allowed. Your local planning office must scrutinize and approve before you build. If you find this helpful, please subscribe, to help us to continue to provide quality consulting to the community, free of charge. You can find other topics in our playlists, here.